Welcome to my channel Neeru Style Corner. In today's video we are going to see a yummy recipe which is a creamy white sauce pasta and which can be easily made at home. Before going into the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I can make more such videos. Now let's get started. For the recipe we would need the following ingredients. Now let's start the process. First we need to add 3 spoons of oil to a pan so that we can saute the vegetables for our pasta. So now add green bell peppers which I have chopped into small pieces. You can chop the vegetables a little big if you like. Now add chopped yellow bell peppers, then add chopped red bell peppers, then add boiled sweet corn to it, then add chopped mushrooms. Now add salt to taste only for the vegetables and keep the flame high. Do not overcook the vegetables as we need that crunch in the vegetable in our pasta. After that is done, keep that aside. And then in another pan we will boil water and add 2 spoons of oil to it and add salt to taste only for the pasta which we are going to boil. Now add the pasta to it and cook for 5 minutes or until it is completely cooked, but make sure that it is only cooked for 80% because we need to even cook them later, so it should be like 80%. But keep checking in between if the pasta is getting stuck to the bottom of the vessel or if it is sticking to each other. Take a knife and try to cut the pasta and check if it is cooked. Try not to boil the pasta more, otherwise it might get overcooked and it will become like paste while cooking. Now drain the pasta and add cold water to the pasta so that the steaming process will reduce and stop. Now next we will take a pan and add butter to it. I've already added the butter and wait until it melts. Don't forget to reduce the flame while melting the butter and keep it low. After the butter is melted, add 2 spoons of maida to it and mix well and mix until the color changes to golden. Now add grated garlic to it and mix until you get a nice garlic aroma to it. Now add milk to the mixture and let the milk boil in it and it will get a creamy texture. Then add the boiled pasta to it and mix it well. Now add all the sauteed vegetables. After you have checked that the texture has become creamy. It should not be too thick or thin, so it should be like a creamy consistency. Add salt to taste. Remember that we have added salt before for boiling the pasta as well as to the vegetables, so keep checking the amount of salt that you have added. Mix well. Now add chili flakes and oregano and cook them well. Add mayonnaise to it. If you need the pasta to be more creamy, you can add more mayonnaise to it. In mayonnaise there are different types, veg and non-veg. I have used veg here. You can use any mayonnaise you like. Mix them well. Now add grated cheese to the pasta and mix it well. Now creamy yummy white sauce pasta is ready to serve. While serving, add more cheese on top of the pasta and enjoy. You will love it. Please try and let me know how it was in the comment section below. And for more such videos, keep watching my channel and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Until my next video, bye.